joining us soon, so we ask that you stow your luggage, clear the aisles, and take up your seat as quickly as possible to allow other customers to find their seats. We kindly ask to stow your laptop bags and handbags securely underneath the seat in front of you, provided that you're not seated in an emergency exit row. For larger hand luggage items, please use the overhead bins. This helps ensure a smooth boarding process and allows for a more comfortable flight for everyone. We're happy to stow anything that can't fit in the overhead bins and our luggage holds. Please be sure to remove any valuable items first, as we don't accept the responsibility for lost, stolen, or damaged items.
The bag from the captain. Serving up front, the senior first officer Damien Swart has been in charge of your safety in the back east corner and the team. Just finishing up the last few things, we'll be on our way shortly. Taking off in a southerly direction, offering the Baldwin, heading out left towards London, coming to 35,000 feet above sea level. Flight time is estimated to be 1 hour and 15 minutes. The weatherman forecasts nice weather en route, and then for East London at the moment it's still clear skies, but the forecast says there might be some low clouds coming in. We'll see when we get there. For now, please relax, enjoy the flight.
Flight Safety would like to welcome you all on board this flight, FA142 to East London. My name is Kayla. I am the acting in charge of today's flight, and assisting up front is in charge of corner, and with the back, Tevin and Lillian. We're all licensed cabin crew and have specific training in aviation safety, security, and first aid. We're here to look after your comfort and safety, so should you require any assistance during today's flight, please don't hesitate to call up any one of us. It's now time to fasten your seatbelt for takeoff. We suggest you keep them loosely fastened throughout the flight. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal tip into the buckle until you hear a click. To tighten it, pull on the loose end, release it by lifting the flap. If you require an infant seatbelt or a seatbelt extender, please inform the crew and they will come to assist you. Please leave the seatbelts on your seat at the end of your journey. There are 8 clearly marked exits throughout the flight and will be now pointed out by the cabin crew. They are located in the following areas: 2 exits in the front, 4 exits in the middle of the aircraft over the wings, and 2 exits in the rear. Please take note of the emergency exits near to you, keeping in mind that 1 or more exits may be located behind you. There is a floor-level emergency lighting system that will direct you to these exits in the unlikely event of an emergency. Our cabin pressure is carefully controlled. However, an oxygen mask will be released from the panel above your head if it changes during the flight. Remain in your seat, remove your face coverings, and immediately grab an oxygen mask, pulling it firmly towards you. It is the action of pulling the mask towards your face that releases a pin to start the oxygen flow. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and continue to breathe normally while securing the elastic band around your head. Although the bag will not inflate, oxygen will flow to the mask. When your own mask is secure, assist children and fellow passengers. Continue to use the oxygen mask until advised otherwise by a uniformed crew member. A life jacket is provided underneath your seat. In the unlikely event of a water landing, remove your jacket from the pouch, pull the life jacket over your head, wrap the belt around your back, and fasten in the front. The life jacket must not be inflated inside the aircraft, as this may hinder your ability to leave through an exit. Inflate the life jacket once outside the aircraft by pulling down on the red toggles. Should it be necessary, the jacket can be inflated manually by blowing into the red inflation tubes. A light will illuminate once the battery is submerged in water. Special life jackets will be provided for infants by the cabin crew if needed. Please ensure that your seatbelts are fastened tightly, your armrests down, traceable secured, and your window blinds completely open as we prepare for takeoff. Please take note, our slimline seats do not recline. You can refer to your safety features card in the seat pocket or on the shades over before you for the location of all exits, as well as other safety features of our aircraft. Take special note of your brace position. Remind you that tampering with, damaging, or removing any aircraft equipment or interfering with the duties of the crew member is a criminal offense. Please note that as per civil aviation regulation, children 2 years or older are required to occupy their own seats for both takeoff and landing, and whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated. Infants younger than 2 years are required to occupy an adult's lap. On flights that will allow you to use your hand electronic devices in flight mode, please switch into flight mode now for the duration of our flight. All laptops and notebooks must be stowed away safely for taxi, takeoff, approach, and landing. Should any announcement be made regarding ports of electronic devices, please follow these instructions immediately. For the comfort of all on board, we suggest you use headphones when listening to music or watching movies today's flight. Thank you for your attention and we wish you a great flight.
front. It's been an absolute pleasure flying you. Thank you for choosing Fly Safair. Hope you enjoyed your flight and safe travels on the road. Bye-bye.
Use the restroom, which is doing so now while it's convenient. As our team secures the cabin for landing, we ask that you please pass any leftover catering items you wish to discard to the cabin crew. In the meantime, we have a short announcement on behalf of Kirby Gordon, our Chief Marketing Officer. I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us, the trusted domestic carrier of the Springboks. We appreciate having you on board and we hope it's been a great flight. We believe that there are always ways to improve our experience with us and we sincerely value your feedback. So if you have any thoughts or ideas regarding our service, feel free to share them with us by emailing feedback@flysafair.co.za. Thank you and we look forward to seeing you on board one of our flights again soon. Hire a car with our first car rental partners while booking a flight with us. However, if you miss this opportunity and need a car when you land, you can take your flights and boarding pass down to the first car rental airport branch, where the first team will sort you out with a vehicle at excellent rates. Customers connecting to international flights, please be aware that you need to collect your luggage from the baggage carousel when we arrive. You can then proceed with your luggage to check-in for your next flight. Children traveling alone and customers who request special assistance are requested to remain seated until all other passengers have disembarked. Once everyone has left the aircraft, our cabin crew will come to assist you.
ask for your attention one last time as we outline our procedure to disembark upon landing. We know that everyone is eager to get off the aircraft, but to ensure everyone's comfort and safety, we ask that you disembark the aircraft 5 rows at a time, starting with 5 rows from the front and 5 rows from the back. Our cabin crew will guide you through the process, inviting each row to stand up when it is your turn. Please note that all passengers must remain seated even after the seatbelt signs have been switched off, until instructed by a cabin crew member to get up and disembark. We thank you in advance for your patience and cooperation.
East London. Please remain seated until one of the cabin crew invites you off seat to disembark. For your own safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the captain has switched off the seatbelt signs. Before disembarking, kindly ensure you have all your personal belongings, like wallets, IDs, mobile phones, and glasses. Please be careful when open the overhead bins, as your hand luggage may have moved during the flight. Children traveling alone and passengers in need of assistance are requested to remain seated until all other passengers have disembarked, whereafter we will gladly come to assist you. As FlySafer on-time departure is very important to us, may we kindly ask you to assist the cabin crew with tidying the aircraft by simply fastening your own seatbelt once you get up. Please also leave any leftover catering items or newspapers on your seat for the cabin crew to collect after you have disembarked. Please remember to leave any infant or extended seatbelts on your seat for the cabin crew to collect. We do realize you had a choice of several airlines for today's flight, and we would like to thank you for making FlySafer your airline of your choice. It was a great pleasure having you on board with us today, and we hope to see you on board one of our flights again soon. Your mobile devices may now be switched to normal mode. Have a wonderful afternoon further. Stay safe, thank you, and goodbye. Please remember that we disembark the aircraft 5 rows at a time, starting with 5 rows in the front and 5 rows in the back, moving towards your closest exit. Please remain seated until advised by one of the cabin crew members to get up and disembark. Kindly take note that any SkyCheck baggage or any baggage that was removed from the cabin before departure can be collected as you disembark the aircraft at the bottom of the front steps. Any checks and baggage can be collected from the baggage carousel. Flight attendants, prepare your doors for arrival and cross-check. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated.